diddle, 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 with my extra leg, diddle, diddle, diddle. Wherever I go through rain and snow, the people always let me know. There's Jake the peg, diddle, 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 with his extra leg, diddle, diddle, diddle. The day that I was born, oh boy, my father nearly died. He couldn't get my nappies on no matter how he tried. 'Cause I was born with an extra leg, and since that day begun, I had to learn to stand on my own 3 feet. Believe me, that's no fun. I'm Jake the peg, diddle, 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 with my extra leg, diddle, diddle, diddle. Wherever I go through rain and snow, the people always let me know. There's Jake the peg, diddle, 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 with his extra leg, diddle, diddle, diddle. I had a dreadful childhood, really. I suppose I shouldn't moan. Each time they had a 3-legged race, I won it on my own. And also I got popular when came the time for cricket. They used to roll my trousers up and use me for the wicket. I'm Jake the peg, diddle, 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 with my extra leg, diddle, diddle, diddle. Wherever I go through rain and snow, the people always let me know. There's Jake the peg, diddle, 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 with the extra leg, diddle, diddle. I was a dreadful scholar. I found all the lessons hard. The only thing I knew for sure was 3 feet make a yard. To count to 10 I used me fingers if I needed more. By getting my shoes and socks off, I could count to 24. I'm